How to solve Shopify app conflicts slowing down your store. Follow the instructions. Identify apps that significantly impact loading time using Shopify's Speed Report or third-party tools like Lighthouse and Gmetrics. Remove unused apps as they can leave behind residual code that slows down your store. Prioritize lightweight apps that use efficient coding practices and avoid heavy libraries. Consolidate app functions where possible to reduce the number of individual scripts loading on each page. Ensure scripts are loaded asynchronously or deferred to prevent blocking critical content. Use lazy loading for images and scripts to delay non-essential elements until they are needed. Minify and compress CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files to reduce load time. Regularly review and optimize theme code to avoid conflicts with app scripts. Thank you for watching.